What is going on, big? I am back again with another one, and today I have the Jordan 1 High OG white cements. These are crazy, man. I've been waiting for these for a long time now, and these come in this beautiful elephant print box. It's a full-on print, man. It's a full print box, which does look nice. And the tissue paper is even a bit special as well. Anyways, guys, here are the sneakers themselves, and wow, man, look at this, man. Look at this. You have the elephant print, which is sort of gray sail-ish with dark gray accents. You have the white, the black, and the sail midsole, which just, it's like the cream of the crop, you know. It adds to this sneaker. It makes it look better. It's beautiful, man. And you have to have one in your hand to be able to appreciate this. Now, quality is nice. It's not bad. On the Nike website, it does mention that they used premium leather, but it just doesn't sort of feel like it, if that makes sense. It does feel nice, don't get me wrong. I mean, even the True Blues felt a lot worse than this. I mean, they were horrible, man. Like, the True Blues compared to these are rubbish. The quality control on those are a lot worse than this. Yes, there are some imperfections on these, like you can see here as well. There is a mark, literally a mark. I don't know what that is. I don't know where that came from. But on the True Blues, you had, I mean, on my pair, personally, I've had the eye stays were cut like in a sort of like a square shape, almost like a square. And you know, quality control, man, it's just getting worse and worse. But you know, guys, I looked online, I looked at some of these reviews they had on these sneakers, and most people just seem to not like these. They, you know, that they said that it's not as nice as it should have been, the quality is not as great, this and that, and they weren't feeling these, right? That's basically all I've understood, that most of these people that have these in hand right now, they do not seem to like them, and I'm guessing that's something to do with the current resale value. But if the price does go up in the very near future, I want everyone to keep the same energy. I see potential in these. These will go up. I personally do love these, man. I think these are great. I think the colorway is fantastic. I think the entire concept of this, like the design, is just beautiful, man. I mean, look at this. You know, this comes with two separate laces as well. You got the black ones, which are already attached, and then you have these white ones. Nike, why do you include white laces? This should have been sail, man. Sail laces. But you know, f it, man. You know, it is what it is. And so here they are with the black laces, which do come as standard on these. And here they are with the white laces. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think about these and which laces you would wear. But I personally think that they should have included some sail laces, man. Sail laces. So you also have sail. Oh, look, man. Oh, do you see what I mean, bro? I mean, this is exactly why I don't get Nike. You have black tongue tab with the Nike Air logo being sail, and then you have the sail midsole. Why can you not include sail laces? Anyways, guys, I mean, let's carry on with the on feet. They are not the most comfortable sneakers in the world, obviously. You know, they're not trying to be, but they're comfortable enough for a few hours, you know, a day. And you know, I wouldn't recommend wearing these for more than a few hours per day, because they will start hitting, they will start hurting, and that's from my personal experience. You know, just so you guys are aware. But the style, man, the style. Look at this shoe. It is just crazy. It is unbelievable. Everything just looks right. Nothing here looks out of place. The midsole, the outsole, the black, the white, the gray, everything just, the patterns, they all come together very well. I think Nike has done a fantastic job with these sneakers. Now carrying on with the crease test, I have to do it, unfortunately. It is what it is, you know, and even though it's my personal pair, but you know, crease wise, it doesn't seem to be as bad as the True Blues. Again, these hold up quite well actually. I have creased them quite a bit, and you know, there's nothing visible, nothing that a shoe tree can't fix. So I think the quality is definitely a lot better than the True Blues, which again, man, they weren't that great at all. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and you can watch my video on that as well. It is the last video I believe I uploaded. Yeah, the quality and the quality control on those were quite, you know, not a Jordan 1 high quality, and you know, the quality control I would have expected. Let's just put it that way. Okay, it's not taxis or, you know, shuttered backboard quality. It's nowhere near, but the leather, like Nike has mentioned on the website, is premium. But the True Blues, they actually felt, you know, bad in quality. They felt stiff, they felt plasticky almost. But these feel a lot better. These feel higher quality. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's it. That is it for today. And for the first time ever, I'm gonna ask you guys if you could follow me on Instagram. And I mean, I'm trying to get someone on Instagram as well. I have a page dedicated to this, which is for the shoes, which is always linked on this video as well. But I also have a personal page where I have 20-odd thousand followers. And you know, I'm not uploading as much as I should. I understand that, but I want to move all of my shoes and, you know, everything else onto my personal account and go from there. So if you guys could just follow me there as well, I would highly appreciate it. The username will be displayed just below now. There, look, did you see it? It's right there. Look on the screen, man. Look, it's there. I know you can see it, man. Just don't act like it's not there. It's, you know, it's there. I can see it. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And I will see you on the next one.